I think that's off.
Oh, no.
Need a wrench?
Oh, whatever, I didn't need it. Just needed a little more leverage.
Can you get your fingers in there?
Yeah. Nothing's coming out. I might have to take the whole plug out. Would have expected it to start draining by now. Right, it's nothing coming out still.
There you go, it's starting to trip. I'm feeling it's going to come all at once.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, it's all the goo in there. Look at there's sand and...
We'll
Get it all
stop it
in
there, just in case.
Yeah.
I think there was just so much gunk that it wasn't.
Yeah, it wasn't draining.
Yeah. Nasty stuff.
You can take it all now. Look at worms in there.
Yeah, eh? It's kind of nice Raycor compared to what we had before too. Even it's easier to maintain. Not as much of a mess. That I'm sure other people are like, well, how the heck are you supposed to clean in here? Well, I guess this is the best way to do it. I don't know, there's probably another way, but without dismantling the whole thing. And we can also run a bit of fuel through it. This is kind of working. Getting some of the sludge. Let's get this big guy over here. Big piece of snot. Get up in there. I need to bend it just right. You dirty little bugger, get out of there. No, I just moved it to the back. Hey, now we can't see it, great. It's not there.
Yeah, it's not there, it doesn't exist. Oh,
there's a
there
bunch of
is.
it. All right, come on. Get her. There, get up. Ah, ha, 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 ha. You're coming out of there, you.
No more snot.
There we go. Beautiful. The fuel's not too bad. A little bit of crud in it, but we're done. It's so straightforward. Sometimes I wonder if it's worth making a video about. I mean, I wasn't.
Everyone is mechanically inclined.
That's true, and I wasn't necessarily super stoked about doing this job, but now I see how easy it is. So, it is, I guess, worthwhile filming. Sometimes you never know. We have been getting comments actually about some of our engine videos and how it's influenced some people to take it on themselves when they wouldn't have otherwise, which is
Instead of
great.
spending a fortune at a marina.
Yeah. All right, that's on hand tight. Maybe I'll give it a quarter turn with this. Slow and steady, not make a big mess, hopefully. Oh, there we are.
No leaks yet.
It's good, it's good.
Remember, you gotta leave a bit of room for the filter
Right.
to soak up.
Maybe a bit more.
It's dripping. You're gonna have to tighten
Drip in
that.
here?
Yeah.
All right.
You got your vice grips right there?
Just seeing if it's...
Yeah, it's coming out of the very bottom.
All right. Grab a pad just to absorb it real quick while we're working.
Oh, looks like we can get quite a bit more in there.
Yeah, we're not to the top.
Here, I'll hold this.
Perfect. Okay, we're right pretty much to the top there. Slow, yeah. I think it's good. Yeah, I think because the top section I think can have fuel as well. Cause
That's where it accumulates before it goes through.
Yeah, so I mean it's not filled right to the brim, but I think that's good. Because last time I saw it, it was still working with the fuel down to here. There we are. Alright. Step one complete.
And the fuel's still on.
Fuel's still on. I haven't seen another drop from that, so that's great. So now you say we can just pump this guy, eh?
Yep.
Yeah, I think I hear it.
It's moving fuel.
Oh wait, do we need to open? That would make sense, eh?
I don't know if you have to open it or not.
I'll open it, just to...
Is that what that is? Is a breather?
It looks like it. Looks just like it from my old one, and if it's
Okay,
not...
yeah. I'm not familiar with the...
If it's not, it can't hurt it, right? There it is.
Yep. Oh,
A little bit of air
air's
came out.
coming out.
Did you see a lot of emails?
Yeah,
there we
see? The experience pays off. We would have been sitting here wondering why the frickin' thing wouldn't fire.
Have we seen any fuel yet? No, and just air still?
Yeah. That's a big filter.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? I should have filled the filter before we put
You
it
shoulda,
on.
coulda, woulda.
Oh, what am I thinking? I keep hearing air coming out of it.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, we're starting to get fuel, I think.
You probably have.
There we go. Yeah, there's fuel.
Okay.
Go a couple more times just to make sure we get all the air bubbles out. There you go. That's lots of fuel out. Sure it's not leaking from there either.
Go to the pump and see if it squirts.
Oh, that's true. Oh yeah, it's a harder to pump now too. Perfect. Beautiful.